All right, so I'm here with Jeff and Carol Ann, right? And you guys, how long? Why don't you tell me how long you've had your cookware for? What do you think about it?
I know I got it roughly about 8 years ago, and kind of ended up in a box down in the basement for a little bit with things going on and moving and that, and brought them back out again. So.
Yep, when my daughter moved out, I gave her all my dishes and I took over his pots. And he was telling me how great these pots were. No water, no oil, no nothing. I didn't believe him until I started using them, and they're fantastic. I've never burned anything in them. The only mistake I've ever had with them was I didn't turn it down enough when I was cooking vegetables, and I had them stick to the bottom of the pot, and it took me just seconds to get it out of the pot with just the swipe of a average kitchen scrubby, of a plastic kitchen scrubby. It was cleaned out, and not even a mark, no burn marks, no nothing. It's fabulous.
So you're happy with your cookware?
Totally happy with
Absolutely.
it. Can't wait to start expanding on them.
Good stuff.
And I think you started with the traditional set, the classic set.
All right.
Yeah. So yeah, no, it's nice to. They're beautiful. They look so good.
So what would you say to somebody who got a call from us to come to one of these demonstrations?
Well invested, well worth investing in. It's really hard to tell anybody how good they work until they see them work. And
it's different watching it from doing it yourself too.
Yeah.
But once you try it just once and realize how good and awesome it is, hands down.
They're my new pots.
It's a good investment.
Very good investment.
All right.
Very good investment.
All right. Well, we appreciate you coming and checking us out. And any questions are always available.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Happy cooking.
Thank you.